Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Talie and I'm back with another video. So today I will be doing a hair care routine. But before we get into the video, I just want to give a huge shout out to all my new subscribers. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And for my old subscribers, go and big up on yourself. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. Let's get into it. Okay, so just a quick breakdown of what this video will entail. So it's my wash day and it's also the week when I'm going to prep my hair for my next relaxed session. So I'm going to also steam my hair and deep condition / treat my hair before my next cream session. So stay tuned guys. Okay, so the first product / ingredient that I will be using to steam my hair is the aloe vera plant. What I will be doing is removing the gel from the plant, place it in the blender just as though I'm doing it, and I'm going to put approximately 2 to 3 drops of Jamaica black castor oil in the blender. I'm not adding any water, just the gel and the castor oil, and I'm going to blend until it's smooth. Okay, so just a quick side note, with the aloe vera gel you can actually rub it in the hair. You can remove it from the plant and rub it or massage it in your hair without blending it, but I don't like it that way because majority of the time when you do that it leaves back residues from the gel within your hair. Even when you rinse it out, you have to spend a lot of time for rinse it out, and I don't have that precious time, darling. So I rather blend until it's smooth and then I apply it to my hair. After I'm through blending, I'm going to place the mixture in a separate container, the one that I will be using to add the mixture to my hair. Okay, so it's time to apply the mixture to my hair. So I'm going to go through section by section, apply the mixture from the root all the way through to the ends. One side, I'm going to go through and massage the mixture in my scalp. Then I'm going to use a duct clip to secure that side of the hair. Now I'm through applying the aloe vera mixture in my hair. I'm going to go ahead and place the steam cap on my head, and I'm going to allow this to sit in my hair for 15 minutes. And then I'm going to rinse the mixture out, use a shampoo and conditioner to remove the excess amount of aloe vera from my hair.
A few moments later.
I'm back! Okay, so it's time to deep condition my hair, and I will be using the olive oil, hair mayonnaise to conduct this procedure. So as you see me doing, I'm going to section my hair and then I'm going to apply the hair mayonnaise to my hair. When I'm through applying the hair mayonnaise in my hair, I'm just going to massage gently, place the steam cap on my head and allow the mayonnaise to sit in my hair for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse with lukewarm water. Okay, so now it's time to put my hair in a protective style until it's dry. So I will be using the olive oil setting lotion, my olive oil hair lotion, and my olive oil mousse to add moisture to my hair. So I will be wrapping my hair and allow it to air dry, and then I will flat iron it and get back to you guys. Okay, so as you can see, we're out of the wrap and into the pony. Nothing too serious, nothing too extra, just a simple ponytail. Now we've come to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.
Bye.